HOMAG manufactures sachet and stick pack machines from 1973, delivering thousands of machines worldwide, and the most with a videojet printer installed. Even in that edition of ACHEMA 2022, we present to our customer an entry-level stick pack machines, single lane, very flexible machine equipped with different fillers for both powder and liquid. And on that single machine, we installed a thermal transfer printer of videojet. The advantage of this printer is that it works without compressed air, and this gives us the opportunity to be very fast with the machine and the production speed required by our customers.